Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 10th annual Europa Property Investment and Manufacturing Awards. This year, as you can see, we're live and online, transmitting to the world. And Manufacturer of the Year, which is our last category for manufacturing.
Yeah.
And
here are the nominees: Alstom Constal, Alumetal Group, Avon Operations, Flex Poland, Hazel, MTM Industries, Polaris Poland, CDA, Sotheby Craft Poland.
okay, great. Wow, big short list
Yeah.
this year, yes? And moving on to our short list, and with a winner, the winner is Polaris.
Polaris.
Yes, well done. Yes, bravo, Polaris. Congratulations. Okay, so that was it for our manufacturers.